In 60 seconds, we replaced the subwoofer and right speaker on a MacBook Pro 17-inch unibody. Unplug power and wear an anti-static wrist strap. Required tools and parts are displayed now. Remove all bottom case screws and store them in order in a magnetic tray. Lift the bottom cover and disconnect the battery connector before touching internal components. Locate the subwoofer near the hinge and the right speaker along the right edge of the chassis. Unscrew and gently disconnect the speaker and subwoofer cables, then lift out the old parts. Place the new subwoofer in position, align mounting holes, and tighten the screws securely. Mount the right speaker, confirm orientation, and reconnect its cable to the logic board. Reconnect the battery connector and replace the bottom cover screws in the original order. Now listen to the original audio: low, muffled bass, and slight distortion in the right channel. Now listen to the repaired audio: clear, deep bass, balanced stereo, and no distortion. Final check complete. If unsure, consult a professional. Part numbers are shown on screen for ordering.